So I've been using this knee sleeve for quite a while now, and let's take a look and I'll show you how it works. First of all, there's straps with Velcro on, and there's some padding in here, so it's nice and soft, and it goes on very easily. This is the control where the heat and the vibrations come from, and there's a little pocket in the back, and I'll show you how it works. So first of all, we just take it and we strap it on our knee with the Velcro, and you can see the Velcro will just stick anywhere very easily, so it fits to lots of different sizes. And then the control is on the top. We'll go ahead and turn it on by holding this button. You hear the beep. Okay, so this button starts the vibration. I don't know if you can hear it. You can see the control up here. And then this button here is for the heat. I'm gonna press this one again. So the vibration gets quicker. And I did it again. So there's 3 levels of vibration. The first one is, so we'll turn it off, we'll do it again. The first one is slower. Now the second one is faster. And the third one is even quicker. And then we're gonna add in the heat. And you'll see this here, I'm just gonna hold that down, make sure I've got that on here. And you'll see this will start to heat up. The temperature will go up. And the green light is on, showing that it's warming up. I can feel it already starting to warm up my knee, and it feels really great. See the temperature change? So I will probably leave this on my knee for about 15 minutes.